whenever you have a flat tire or underinflated tire like we have in this case, Vista tire inflator comes in very useful, very handy. Several models of Vista tire inflator. Unpack the product contents. There are several beautiful designs and models of Vista tire inflators. So you wind the power cord which you would the power cord to the power socket of the car, and then open the ignition, or better still start the engine of the car so that it does not drain your battery power. Then you check the recommended air pressure for the car tires. For this car we have front 32 psi and rear 30 psi. Some cars have different recommended pressure for the front and the rear tires. Then you connect the air hose, push it in properly, then lock the clip. Then you put on the compressor. Put off the compressor and disconnect the air hose.